Our plan was simple: ride from our home base in Germany, south, 2,300 kilometres through France and Spain, using campsites as accommodation. To break up the monotony of the ride, I'd planned 2 off-road routes, one in the north and south of Spain. Once in Morocco, we would head to the Sahara Desert using road and off-road sections, loop around, traverse the Atlas Mountains, and then ride back to the port at Nador. En route to our first campsite on day 1. We've only got half a day of riding today because we've literally finished work and then left straight away from work to get on with this almost expedition-like tour. Just getting through it, grinding the miles away, you know. So we're on campsite 1 in Germany. Technically we should only have one more campsite in Germany and that's on the way back, but we'll see. So, what were your biggest concerns?
Biggest concerns for prep? Well, the problem we've got at the moment is we're going through a number of countries with a number of different weather patterns. On this trip, Steve, we're trying a completely different closure package. So I've gone right the way down, so we will have to do a bit of laundry on the road.
Definitely.
And on top of that as well, I'm trying new luggage for the first time. I'm also trialing a complete new cook system. So
we'll have a look at all that.
And I would have liked to have had a weekend sort of like shakeout, but we couldn't fit it in.
What's the thing you're most looking forward to?
I know it's an old saying, but taking the Africa Twin to Africa.
That will be it, won't it? That will be it.
What else do you need to do?
I think we're going to have some very interesting times ahead. I think it's going to be very testing.
I am worried though, because I've not seen your route plan, that you're not going to take me to cross country.
That's a good point. Let me just cover that.
On the big beast.
I hate you. So when we do get to Morocco, normally I would download routes and all that. I haven't done any of that. What I've done is basically put a series of coordinates on the GPS and we're just going to go from A to B. Now I know there's multiple tracks, so it's going to be up to me to find the way to that next waypoint, to the next waypoint, to get us on a certain route. So it's going to be very interesting.
Yeah, absolutely.
More adventure-y than we've ever done before, definitely.
Yes.
Good. So
if it goes wrong, it's going to go wrong. All my fault.
Yeah, it'll all go wrong. Our concerns over not carrying out a thorough pre-tour checks would come into fruition. Not only would Jason's stove fail early on, but more devastating, one of our bikes would not even make it back home. I don't know if you can hear me. That is Jason's Turbo SR71 Blackbird Captain stove. Good night, Jason.
Good night, Stevie.
Maybe I pump it too much.
Putting in our foot, I mean, weather's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. We're
really lucky. This is our first break, day 2. Just spacked out about 110 k's, chilling out. I think we're going to have a cordon bleu lunch then, are we?
Yeah, we're gonna go full in.
Yeah.
Spag bog.
You heard it here first. More roadside cooking with Jason later. Just going for a quick provisions run to this rather quaint town. Now I knew it wouldn't be long before we hit the tolls. This is our first one in France.
Hey, he's got me looking quite beige. Got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion. No.
What are we having for lunch, Jay?
We're having spag bog, mate.
Excellent.
Raise me. I need something fast. I need something to last and give satisfaction.
Right. What bread?
Help me, grab his right arm. Help me, I'll take the left. Oh, help me, interrogate.
We're in late afternoon and this is where it starts dragging on a bit. Just constant motorway riding. Another rest area lay by. Just lubing the old chain so I don't have to do it tonight at the campsite. So we're about close to 600 k's in today. We're going to push out another 50-ish. He thinks he may have an ultra slow puncture on his front tyre.
Oh, we'll test tyre pressure, put it up to 3 bar, and then we'll monitor it.
Yeah, Jace has got an electronic Scott oiler on his chain, so it's obviously significantly easier than me pissing around with chain lube. There it is. This is actually the best part of the day when we're heading to the campsite. We've got off the motorway. We can enjoy a bit of the rural beauty of France, which is pretty spectacular. Here's our little campsite tonight. 2-star campsite. No frills, that's what I like to call it.
Steve doing paffery, still got his kit everywhere.
Leaving the 2-star French campsite, it was okay. Right, good stuff. We're right in the south of France. The landscape's starting to change a bit, looking a bit more arid. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. These Piage motorways, obviously you're paying for them, but the services are good, you know, and we haven't encountered a single traffic jam yet. Toilets are clean, you don't have to pay for them, and the rest areas, as you can see here, pretty impressive.
What?
Jace, mate, what are you eating?
I'm sauerkraut
What?
with a bit of speck.
Sauerkraut?
With bacon bits in it.
Jesus, you dirty, dirty man, you.
Why?
That's
Why?
dirty.
Come on.
Nobody eats
No,
sauerkraut.
come on.
Nobody eats sauerkraut. That's it. The off-road point, I think it's in about 2.6 k's, and then it starts, and then 20 k's of what should be, hopefully, very easy off-roading, because it did say that, just to break us in gently. I imagine it'll be a little bit of light gravel, and that'll be it.
I don't see a safety barrier.
No, there is not. There is no safety barrier. I haven't even looked if I'm going the right way, for f***'s sake. I think so.
Don't know. But there's a gate. Don't know what that means.
ABS is off now.
Oh Jesus.
Settings, ABS, rear ABS off. Done.
Okay. And we're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Sand, a little bit of sand on the corner. Ooh,
Sand on the corner makes me happy.
Bridge of Death.
The Bridge of Death.
Walkers. Car parked up ahead.
Yep.
This road splits, I don't know which way to go, so I'm just going to have a quick look.
Okay.
Okay, so we take the right fork. That goes up to a viewing point or some shit. Better to be standing up in this shit. Bottom my suspension out there.
You did what?
Bottom my suspension out there.
Really?
Yeah, bang.
Jeez. Was you going too fast?
I think I've got it set quite soft, you see, because I'm a shorty, so I can reach the ground.
Old church. That was cheeky. I f***ed up. Okay, we're there.
Keep momentum, and then when you get down to this corner, I'd say stay right.
I overcooked that one. Didn't judge it properly.
Big cobbles here on the corner, just go over it fast and you'll be alright. Just balls it through, no skill required.
Oh, I heard a pot.
And I think we are now hit the fence.
Hang on, Steve. I've got something in my eye.
Okay, no worries, stop here buddy, or if you want.
Oh, fuck's sake. Oh. Come get it out, mate.
Oh, it's like that.
Come. You know, cheers, mate. Oh. Hey, hey.
You're alright, Jace, yeah?
What are you playing at, Africa Twin? Get up!
Right, let's think about this. Okay, how are we going to do this? Park brakes on.
Park brakes on, brakes down, pop it down, and then we'll slowly roll it back onto the road.
I'm going to go from here.
Ready?
It might be...
3, 2, 1.
Okay, that's good.
3, 2, 1. Got it?
Yeah. This was the problem. So it was like a and the problem is if you hit one of these loose rocks, and that's a little one, and that throws you off course, and then but he did well to get it all the way up there, to be honest. I mean, that's a big heavy bike, fully laden. Jesus. Yeah. Okay. Reorg, drink a bit of water.
Camera. disconnected.
Same GoPro stuff. Don't really do steep drops justice. Trust me, that was steep. I mean, you can only do this on adventure bikes, can't you? For Christ's sake, we're on a motorway all day today, now we're doing this. Which way is it? Fucking made it, I hope. Jesus. What a... I mean, that was... I anticipated that being very easy, and it wasn't. I mean, parts of it were very easy, but then... Yeah, okay. Fully laden. That's pretty taxing, pretty taxing. Good stuff though, good stuff. Just trying to find the campsite now. Feel like two cowboys rolling into town. Two gunslingers with water pistols. Oh, the faffery of it all. I'm not allowed to like get involved in camping decisions. Jason says I have to stay in my lane, i.e. shut up and do as he's told. So I'm just going to wait until he gives me the signal. Yeah. Okay, see, now I'm allowed to move. Very strict rules we've got about what to do and what not to do. Where are we going, Jason? Like it, excellent. Right, let's get ourselves sorted out, eh? Not hot or sweaty at all. I feel fresh.